Mooer GE100. By using a completely new digital planform, GE100 will provide you with the most authentic, modern and rich tones. With easy operation and versatile function, it can definitely help you to get your own unique sound. Specifications. Brand, Mooer, model, GE100 input jack, 1/4, mono audio jack output jack, 1/4, stereo audio jack, power supper, DC 9 volts adapter, included, or 4*AA batteries, not included. Item size, 23*14*4.5 cm, 9.1*5.5*1.8 inches. Item weight, 741 grams. 1.6 pounds, excluding batteries. Package size, 32.5*15*7 cm, 12.8*5.9*2.8 inches. Package weight, 1015 grams, 2.2 pounds. Features. Guitar multi-effects pedal with large high-brightness LCD display. 8 effect modules including 66 effect types, providing you with a sound library. 23 distortion sounds with 7 legendary amp simulators. 80 preset patched and 80 user patched for you to creating your own sound library. 180s loop recording, 40 drum and 10 metronome rhythms allows to create your own music without computer. Supports tap tempo, tuning, and scale and chord lesson functions. 6 assignable expression pedal parameters improve the convenience and diversity of controlling the tone. Dual power supply, DC 9 volts adapter included.